I think I may have an interesting video today because I found this particular tool. I thought it was really cool because it does have an interesting scraper option that uses standard blades. It is made by Klein, so I went ahead and purchased it so that you and I can take a look at it and see how it operates. The first thing I noticed when I pulled it out of the package is it's a little bit chunky. It doesn't feel unnatural. It just feels like a traditional style utility knife, you know, kind of the old school, kind of heavy with a decent feel in your hand. Now, some people really like that because it allows them to get a really good purchase. You can see my thumb kind of falls in a natural place on the back of the knife and my finger fits into this indent. By all means, it's not small and compact, kind of like this particular one that I reviewed made by WorkPro. Also, when that blade is extracted, there's not any slop in it. It's not going to flop around on the hinge like some of the cheaper knives. It does retract by pressing the button, and you can flip it in if you so inclined to do so, and you can also flip it out if you're talented enough to do so. And the secret to that is, although it's nice and tight now, when you press it on the button, it's loose enough that it'll just flip right back in or fold right back out as needed. It's also dual positionable, meaning that there is a spot where it'll click like this. That way the hand is not getting in your way when you're trying to cut something. It does have a quick release button to change the blade. You just press the button and the blade pulls out. You can just put another blade in or flip it over and use the other side of the blade. Once you release that button, it is locked into place. It's not going to go anywhere. Now, if you're looking at it from this particular angle, you can see there is another compartment door right here. It's easy to get a hold of with your finger, but it will not open unless the blade is open. Once you open up the blade, you can grab a hold of this and pull it out, and you're going to find a storage compartment that will hold one blade, one extra blade. That storage compartment opens up at this particular angle. It doesn't open anymore, and you can just slide a blade out or slide a blade in as needed, and then just tuck it out of your way. Located on the back side of the knife is another flip out door. We're going to go ahead and open that door, and there's a little wheel right here on the side that you can take your thumb and open out another utility. This is a scraper blade, and it also uses a standard blade, and when it's in this position and the door is closed, there is virtually no slop at all. It's very sturdy. It's not going to collapse and fold up on you, and you have a really nice scraper tool to use. And then if you want to retract that blade, you just open the door again, spin the wheel, it tucks itself back in, close that door, and you're ready to use it or put it in your pocket in a different way. Now, I do have one minor issue with the design, and trust me, it is extremely minor. I actually really like this utility knife. And that minor complaint is this is not a quick change blade. You do have to use a screwdriver. It is pretty simple to release. You just give it about a quarter turn, and then you can just pop that blade out and put a new blade in. But not having to buy specific utility blades to be able to use it in scraper mode, well, I really like that. There is another brand out there that kind of has one that flips open, but you have to use special blades that's designed by them. Klein made this fairly universal. So what are my final thoughts? Well, I really like the knife. I like how it feels in my hand. The metal body gives it some weight. The fit and finish is really nice. It's not a terribly expensive knife for what it does. I like the fact that it does store an extra blade inside, and I love the fact that it also has a scraper utility on the back side. If you like these types of videos, don't forget to like and subscribe. Take a look at some of my other videos. At the very least, you might be entertained.